Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. This is very important. We're going to talk about what Shiba Inu is likely to do next. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu deleting that next zero and what we need to do to make that happen. But the very first step is hitting the like button. Literally, we need this video to 5,000 likes so we can rally the troops and we can literally tip the scale for the algorithm to start really pushing this video out there to get more people informed. The more people informed on Shiba Inu, the more they'll be confident. This is what happens when we have people that aren't confident. When the price starts to pull back, they panic. If you want to prevent this from happening, we need strong soldiers on the line, and they have to be informed and educated so that way they feel confident enough to hold the line when we see Coinbase pulling tricks like they just pulled. Coinbase, if you haven't heard, allegedly, we got to say, has been turning off the buy button for a ton of people. So think about this, y'all. If the price is pulling back and people want to take advantage of the dip, they're not able to because they're turning off the buy button. But now, since people are, a lot of new people coming into Shiba Inu, read my comments. You'll see how many people have been saying they almost panicked, but they held because of the videos, or they did panic. And the reason why is because if they can't buy the dip and they're seeing their portfolio or their value of SHIB continue to drop, they'll paper hand out and thinking, okay, I only have, yesterday I had X amount of gains. Today I'm down to this amount. So let me sell. Drop in the comment section. How many of y'all did that? Keep it real. How many of y'all seen y'all gains yesterday, seen it start to drop today and say, you know what, I'm going to just sell. I can't even buy. I'm out. To prevent this from happening, we need people to be informed, aware of the games they're playing. Remember, they will play all these types of games. They don't want to see us, really creating that generational wealth and you participating in this transfer, the greatest transfer of wealth that's taking place right now. In order to win in crypto, you have to understand it's a game. You have to play the game the way smart money plays it. These are the tactics they use. When you see headlines saying sell, usually they're saying that to push the price down so that way they can buy it from you. We got the halving date right now saying it's approximately 45 days away. Bitcoin halving is 45 days away, and we already hit Bitcoin's all-time high today. I don't even see people excited and understanding, we hit Bitcoin's all-time high today before the Bitcoin halving. That is extremely bullish. Yes, we are in overbought territory. RSI levels high. Bollinger Band price is, expensive up there, or price trading closer to that upper Bollinger Band. But this is the thing, we might be witnessing something that we've never seen in history. So the technicals might be out of whack for a while until we, can look back and say, okay, hindsight is 2020. This is what was playing out. Right now, we might be seeing something, extremely, unprecedented taking place right now. Remember, we got top analysts predicting Bitcoin's minimum price to be $250,000 at the end of this bull run to $1 million. We got Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs on the way. They're even talking about doing Shiba Inu ETFs. That's a big deal, y'all. So with all that, all those positive catalysts lined up, we got a lot of optimism that we can look forward to. Now, remember, it's not financial advice. Nothing you see in this video or here is. You got to keep that in mind. And fear and greed index is at a 90. So that tells us that, the market is in extreme greed right now still. So that does worry me, because when it's in extreme greed, it's likely to pull back. So, we might see another one of those flash scenarios. I gave y'all a worst case scenario with Bitcoin. I think we talked about it potentially pulling down to that 56,000 level with the mid Bollinger Band level on the day chart. But remember, this is just, what the technicals are saying. If we get some type of new catalyst, it could change everything. We have to reanalyze the data. Remember that. Nothing is like concrete when it comes to technical analysis. A new catalyst that didn't exist prior will shift things. So Ethereum at 35.66. We got BNB at 395, Solana at 125, XRP at 59 cents, Cardano at 69 cents, Doge at 15 cents, SHIB at number 10 by market cap. So this is what we need to do, y'all, in order to really regain our momentum and really knock this next zero off within the next 30 days, everybody smash the like button. Check this video. Make sure the likes are accurate. Hit the like button if you already haven't. It's absolutely free to hit the like button and subscribe. We need to push this out there in the algorithm so the algorithm has no choice but to get this across everybody's home pages. That way people are informed about it, and they also can take advantage of a discounted price, because we just had people buying at 4,500 points per coin. So to have it at 3,400 right now is like 1,100 points off. So that's a discount right now. Warren Buffett taught us about buying undervalued assets. We know that if people will pay one price for it, you being able to get it at a discounted price, you might have to wait some time till it gets back up to that level, but you're getting a steal, a discount, especially something with a community as strong as Shiba Inu. So this is what we need to do. We need to rally right now hard enough. This is why this video needs 5,000 likes, and you need to share this video as well so more people can, get exposed to it. It can get more reach, and it will help us with more people being informed investors and likely hold the lines. We need to flip Doge right now. If we can flip Doge, think about it, we're only $2 billion in market cap away from doing that, and we were just around like at 1 point something billion dollar market cap away from doing that. So it's possible. We've done it before. If we can flip Doge, that can create enough hype, excitement, motivation, inspiration to, get everybody bullish again. Even though we see Bitcoin, starting to retrace a little bit, we can possibly see one of those situations where Shiba Inu moves against the market again. Now, remember, we are in, territory where we're overbought. RSI levels are high, so there's always that potential of pulling back to those key support areas. I think we talked about Shiba Inu pulling back to possibly 2,500 points per coin, 3,000 points per coin, and then that's a key support level, and then that 2,500 points per coin level. And below that, if we, we can pull all the way back to like 1,400 points per coin. I believe that was the next key support level. So those are the three levels on the way down. But let's take a closer look at Shiba Inu. Remember, hit the like button. It's absolutely free. If you truly want to see your bags grow, do your part. We need everybody working together in order to accomplish this. If the whole army is not working together, it's not going to happen. If we flip Doge, we get our Facebook community back bullish. We get our TikTok community back bullish. We get our Reddit community back bullish. The Twitter community is already going up, but the YouTube community is really a strong hub for getting the other communities inspired. So this is why it's important that y'all do your part as well by, helping getting this video moving in the algorithm. So, like the video, comment on the video. Also, do not forget to subscribe. That way you can be up to date with this information before it happens. So take a look right now. We got SHIB at 3,600 points per coin. This is why I tell you don't panic when it dips. You want to take advantage of it. Now, it's not financial advice. Can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I'm super, super bullish on Shiba Inu. I'm excited. And even, I still think it's worth buying at these levels in the dips. So let it break out to where it goes to. Let it retrace, and at those dip levels, continue to accumulate. For those of you wondering, is it too late? This is not financial advice, but no, it's not too late. In my opinion, I could be wrong, but I don't believe I'm wrong. It's not too late. This is the way smart money plays the crypto game. They let the price go up to a certain level, then cause it to retrace. Like we see Coinbase turning off the buy button. We see, news headlines saying sell Shiba Inu. They push the price down, 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 so that way new investors get afraid, get emotional, and they jump out of their positions. Take a look at the volume. Look at this volume we got right here. Well, it just flipped red, but it was green. Okay, it just flipped green again. So that volume candle, so right now sellers are in control, but once it flips green like it just did right now, it tells us buyers are in control. So if buyers can keep it up, if we can rally the troops, if we can, tip the scale right here, we might put ourselves right back on track to where we were with that 4,500 points per coin, and we can continue from there. Remember, I told y'all 5,400 points per coin was coming. Remember, I did say that. I also told y'all that pullback was coming. I don't control this. I can just tell you what the charts are saying is likely to happen. So we just got to be aware of it, so that way we can strategize and be prepared for it and not be afraid when we see it play out. That's why I try to share this information. A lot of times when I'm saying things, it's not even for you to do something. It's just to be aware of it, so that way when you see the games playing out, you say, I remember DecemberDeMarco was just saying this. So drop in the comment section. Has, these videos been helping you out? And if you, suggest people to subscribe to the channel, because a lot of people believe in like, community and proof of concept. And when y'all are giving them that, that go ahead they're likely going to check the comments and see the community members bullish and saying, yes, y'all, this is the place to be. And they'll likely join the fam, man. Shout out to all the new subscribers to the DD Nation, man. We just broke past that 45,000 subscriber mark, y'all. I want y'all to join the family before we hit 50,000 subscribers. I will be doing a really big giveaway. You definitely want to be a part of that, y'all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are on. Also, I got to say, double check and triple check, because some of my community members have, on one hand, told me they haven't been getting notifications for the videos. So you got to know to just come back to my channel every day and just check. Y'all know I'm going to be dropping. Also, catch up on the videos that you missed out on. But check that you are subscribed. Also, somebody just was saying, you know, they've been watching all this time and didn't even realize they were subscribed. Shout out to you, bro. But y'all got to make sure y'all subscribe. It's absolutely free. You have nothing to lose but to gain, only to gain on this channel. So take the gems that we're dropping. Remember, always be wise. Even when you hear me saying certain things and being bullish, remember, I'm just pro SHIB. You got to understand, I got money in here too. So, you know, I'm excited about it. But remember to do your own due diligence. Use your own risk tolerance. Remember, everybody's risk tolerance is different. So keep that in mind also. And understand it's highly volatile. Never risk more than you're willing to lose, so you don't get emotional. So let's take a look. We got a doge candle forming here. So this means right now, this candle that we see forming, like this T that we see forming right here on the chart, this tells us that the buyers and sellers are, you know, indecisive on which direction it should go right now. That's why it's so flat right there, so skinny like that, because they're indecisive on who's in control, which direction should it go. Usually once one person gains control, if the buyers gain control, it'll start to run towards the upside. If the sellers gain control during this fight, it'll start to run towards the downside. So keep an eye out for that as well. But volume is, you know, picked up. It's buyers are in control right now, but the sellers, you know, are in that range where they could flip it. See, so it just flipped right now. But if we can rally the troops, this is why it's important that y'all hit the like button. We need to get the word out to everybody that it's not over with. We still got a fighting chance. We really can take control right now and push it in the other direction. And if we exhaust the sellers, remember, sellers get exhausted. They only have so much Shiba Inu they could sell for a certain period of time. Once they sell, they eventually run out of SHIB to sell, y'all. It's a game. So we gotta, you know, exhaust them, hold the line. You know, I'm not telling you to do that, but I'm saying that's what will take us to those next levels. Now, it could pull back. I don't want y'all to be mad at me and say, you know, DecemberDeMarco, I was just about to sell. And you said hold the line. It's not that type of situation. Do whatever you want to do. Because, you know, like I said, RSI levels are high. Let's take a look at the RSI. So on the day chart, look at that RSI at a 97 right now. You know, that means it's extremely overbought right now. Means due for a correction, due for a pullback. I talked about it in my other videos on, you know, those potential pullbacks that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And if you want more information on that, go to that video so that way you can see the breakdown on it. But we talked about those key levels, you know, on the way down right now. And we also talked about if we could pop above 3,500 points per coin and hold it as a support, that would be really bullish. But y'all can help us do this by getting this video out there. Share it on every single platform. Tell everybody about SHIB. You know, of course, you got to tell them it's not financial advice, but let them know that what's taking place. We are in a bull market, and if you believe, I believe Shiba Inu is going to all-time high. If you believe it, then why not be bullish on it and share that information with others so that way they can participate in this as well. So, you know, just advise them to use caution. But money that we waste anyway, that's why I always tell y'all, lunch money that you would blow on something else and not miss, that's the type of money you should be putting here. So that way you can build up a bag size that you won't get emotional about. Now, some of y'all that understand what you're doing, then of course, yeah, you can load up, you can, you know, get it in. But for the new people that might still get emotional behind it or might see the price pull back 10-15% and or even 20% and not look at it like a discount, that's how you know if you're ready to go to the next level. If you're still at the point where the price pulls back and you get afraid, you're not at that next level yet. If you see the price pull back on your favorite assets and you know to buy the dip, you're at that next level. Now, there's still more levels to go, but you at least know you're not at the basic level of, you know, a beginner retail trader that will see the red. Because remember, psychologic in our mind, red means stop, green means go. So new people to the markets, they see the red candles coming, that means don't buy, you know, or either sell their positions. When they see green candles buying all-time high prices, to them it means go. So they're buying, you know, at these high prices instead of letting the price come to them. Remember, don't chase it, let it come to you. Understand the key support levels, and you can set limit orders depending on what exchanges you're using. That means you can set a preset order to automatically get filled at a certain price if it pulls back, even if you're not paying attention to it right then. This is why I recommend getting my technical analysis course and my day trading course. These courses go very, very well together. So email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you want to understand how to interpret the data on the charts better. Now, on the bullish side, let's say we regain control of things. We, close this candle on a bullish note. Then, we go into those next levels we talked about. But let's drop down to a 4-hour. Now, you can see buyers stepping back in on the 4-hour. It does look more bullish in the 4-hour. So that means in this next 4 hours or so, if we can really push this momentum, we can regain control. We can exhaust those sellers out that keep trying to push us down. And once we get them out, once they're exhausted, we can run past to that next level. And that's around 4,000 points per coin. And now once we can do that, we get people saying, with that sigh of relief, like, oh, they wipe the sweat off their foreheads. Now they're okay with holding again because they're seeing their balances, back at a comfortable level. So, we got to do our part, y'all. All you have to do is hit the like button, share, comment on the video. Also engage with the other comments, like others' comments in the comment section. If you truly believe in SHIB and you want to see it go further, let's work together. When we hit our all-time high, y'all, we had a maximum level of everybody working together. Y'all gotta understand, meme coins are community projects. It's all about the community. The SHIB army is, if you ask me, really one of the top strongest communities in crypto. And a lot of people know this. It's the number 2 most popular cryptocurrency in the United States, y'all. So, why not join a family like that? Why not be optimistic and confident about something like that? We are still very, very early. We are ahead of the game, y'all. Bitcoin is expected to go to $250,000 to $1 million. What do you think Shiba Inu's price will be when that takes place? We got the potential to delete a zero in 30 days if we can get the entire community working together. If this video can get 5,000 likes, that will show a strong sign of the community is working together. It will also show a sign to the YouTube algorithm that this video needs to be recommended to more people. Once more people get educated, like I say, they get informed, they get confident, and they likely join us and hold the ranks and don't panic when they see the price pulling back. They'll not only not panic, but they'll take advantage of the dip, and that'll really wreck the sellers. That'll make the sellers pay for it, pay for trying to push the price down. So that's all we got for this one. Join my private Telegram/Discord community. It is a paid community, but guess what? We just called a play 3 days ago that is up 300%. If you didn't see this play, that means you most likely aren't inside of my community. But this is another play we call right here that's on fire. We called a few plays that are killing it right now. But yeah, bonk with hat. So the ticker symbol BIF. Let me slide this over so y'all can see. So yeah, this one, it was just up, but people taking profits, of course. Don't blame you. That was a nice little run. We just did over 100%. But yeah, I got this play inside of my private paid Discord/Telegram. It's $150 for access and $100 per month for now. The price will be going up. So definitely, if you're interested in those degen plays, those high risk, high reward plays, remember, these are not for everybody. These are more risky plays for those that, understand and have the ability to, play around a little extra in the meme coin space. So yeah, this is bonk with hat. It's on the Solana side. It's looking really good right now. We do got a dip going on. So right now, mid Bollinger Band, we see where the price is at that 0.0025 around that area. If it retraces, nice dip for entry. Not saying, not financial advice, but for those that might be wanting to check it out. So also check out Vegas Inu token. All links to the project in the description section of this video. Remember, like I told y'all, undervalued assets is where it's at. Look at the community, determine its bullishness, and then understand you getting in early or at a undervalued price is the way to play the crypto game the correct way. So let's jump back over here. So we see right now SHIB is trading along that mid Bollinger Band. So look, not trading along, but we found support along that mid Bollinger Band on the 4-hour. So that shows that there's some strength here. There shows that, buyers are optimistic around this range. If they see it pull down to this range, buyers are definitely, going to be stepping in, myself included. This is a very good pullback, to throw some more in at, which, I was doing. Even though, we're up on certain bags. Remember, you could always start new bags. That's the beauty of crypto. You can have as many accounts as you want to have. So you look for those key support areas. We see, buyers stepping in. Hopefully we can continue to push. We got resistance at that 4348 level for the upper Bollinger Band. Also, we can take a look at the volume. We see the volume, buyers are in control right now. It is a little bullish, but we do see volume tapering off right now. And the reason it's tapering off, I believe, of course, some people doing not only just taking profits, which would increase the volume also, but we see not much taking place because Coinbase keeps shutting off that buy button, y'all, allegedly. And that's market manipulation to its finest. If an exchange is shutting off the buy button for its retail clients and, buying it themselves at the cheap price and then turning the buy button back on when the price is higher, like, that's just not fair. This is why I recommend y'all to learn the DeFi side of things, y'all. I got my crypto one-on-one course that will teach you a well-rounded understanding of crypto investing, as well as how to be safe and operate on the DeFi side of crypto. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. So that's why I believe the volume is tapering off. I believe once they stop the games, we can truly rally because they're truly suppressing it, if you ask me. But who knows how long they're going to play these button games, because they're allowing people to sell, but everyone isn't able to buy. Read my comments. You'll see a lot of people telling their stories on how they're not able to buy, how they were turning it off by zip codes, etc. Last bull run, a lot of things to work against us. They don't want to see us, hit those levels. They want us to be stuck, below the levels they think we should be at. And we got to work together in order to, go against that, man. So I'm expecting SHIB to, we are in overbought territory on the day chart, highly at that like 94 level. But on the 4 hour, we are at a 58. So it does show we still have room to go up on the 4 hour. Because if we look at the 4 hour, we can see RSI's high levels were at 91 approximately, which was the highest levels we've seen it on the 4 hour recent times. So look where the RSI is now. So we did cool off, a good amount to where we can start to possibly refuel and, start to make that next leg up. But it's going to take the community working together, y'all. Come back, check this video. If you see this video doesn't have 5,000 likes, because more than that, more than 5,000 people are going to watch the video. And most likely, if you're clicking on this video, you're bullish on Shiba Inu. So why not hit like on the video to help push it out? But if you come back and see this video does not have 5,000 likes, you should be making sure you hit the like button. If you got another account, hit the like button. Let's try to do what we can. But then most likely we probably will struggle rallying to that next level if we can't get the community to rally to do something for free. Then, it's most likely going to be hard to get them to rally to buy something, especially when Coinbase is turning the buy button off. And I keep saying Coinbase because you got to understand, most new retail investors, they are using centralized exchanges. Some of y'all OGs, I know, y'all already know, how to use the DeFi side. But you got to remember back to a point in time where you didn't understand that. Remember, there's a new wave of people coming in crypto every single day. So we need these people informed, educated, confident, and, understanding how to play the game of crypto. So that's all we got for this one. Y'all, I believe we still have the possibility to delete a zero in 30 days. But we have to work together. We need everybody to smash the like button. Again, it's absolutely free. If you want to become a channel member, now you could pay to become one of those. You get access to members only live streams. You get access to videos before they go live to the public on YouTube. And, some other perks that will come along as well. So that's all we got for this one. I appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.